8 facial hair hacks for a thicker beard. Do you know why you cannot grow facial hair, or have done everything you could but all you have to show for it is patchy or sporty facial hair? Your problem may not be all genetics. In this video, I will share some of the reasons why and how you can fix it. Popular media might make you think differently, but it is quite common for men to struggle with growing a lush beard. Some of it has to do with genetics, but in many cases, insufficient facial hair is caused by several lifestyle factors that affect your hormone levels as well as your skin and hair health. The good news is that these are easily reversible and will significantly affect how masculine your beard looks. Here are 8 facial hair hacks you may want to pay attention to if you want a thicker beard. 1. Keep your beard clean. Make a habit of cleansing your face twice a day. Air pollution, dirt, and excess facial oil can quickly accumulate on the skin and keep your hair from growing. These can also cause breakouts and ingrown hair, which further keeps you from growing a thick beard. 2. Exfoliate regularly. Although keeping your skin clean helps improve your facial hair growth, exfoliating regularly is recommended. Exfoliation enables you to get rid of deep-seated dirt and dead skin cells that can hinder hair growth. It is better to either use an exfoliating facial wash daily or a gentle face scrub twice a week. 3. Use a proper moisturizer. Moisturizing your skin keeps your hair follicles healthy and primed to grow long and thick. You can use a few drops of jojoba oil, which is quickly absorbed by the skin and helps nourish the hair. Or you could try using some castor oil, which is believed to help hair grow faster. 4. Massage your face. Stimulating your skin by massaging it helps improve blood flow to the area. That allows every hair strand to go through a longer growth cycle. Consequently, you end up with a longer, thicker beard. This is best done when applying your moisturizer, so you can boost circulation and improve absorption at the same time. 5. Take beneficial supplements. Sometimes it is just too difficult to get all the vitamins and minerals your body needs solely from your food. Taking supplements can help you get the necessary vital nutrients your body needs. Doing this will ensure that your body is giving your hair follicles a suitable environment for growth. For your beard, it would be beneficial to take a multivitamin that will give you ample zinc and vitamins A, C, and E. It might also help to supplement with some biotin. 6. Consume more protein. Most people associate protein consumption with muscle growth, but it is also critical to hair health. Also, taking more protein helps you achieve optimum testosterone levels, essential to growing facial hair. The best way to consume more protein is to eat more lean meats like chicken breasts or pork loins. 7. Eat more fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which will nourish your skin and hair follicles. Plus, it helps you achieve optimum testosterone and DHT levels, further improving your capacity to grow a lush beard. If you are not able to eat fish, try adding flax seeds and walnuts to your diet. 8. Use a hair grower. If you are keen on improving your beard growth and reducing the patchy appearance, you can try applying a hair grower. You can find a good hair grower in your local pharmacy or grocery store. Find one that contains minoxidil, which is a proven effective ingredient to stimulate hair growth. Since these products are formulated for scalp use, make sure you do a patch test before using it on your face. These 8 facial hair hacks for a thicker beard are inexpensive and easy to do. Incorporate them into your lifestyle to enjoy a fuller and lusher beard that will enable you to have a more manly appearance. Plus, these same changes will allow you to keep your skin healthy and keep your hormones at optimum levels. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.